Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make a ponytail and then take your all hairs upside and then attach the hair clip as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then make a bun, attach it properly, it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now take the smallest section from each section and then start making the braids out of it as shown in the video. Keep doing the exact same process very nicely and gently and then tie it nicely into the halfway. Now start making the bun out of it with the help of the elastic and then take the remaining hairs and tie it nicely. Now pull it inside out from the first one as shown in the video and then fix the remaining hairs by rolling it all together and then attach it properly. Now take the remaining hairs and then fix it all together with the help of a hair clip and then it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take the bun clip and then attach it as shown in the video. Now roll the hairs all upside down and then fix it all nicely and gently. Now take the remaining hairs, comb it nicely and then divide the hairs into two sections and then start making the bun out of it, attach it, it's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the smallest section from the remaining hairs and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Repeat the exact same process and then once you are complete with that, accessorize it, it's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair from the front side and then comb it properly. Now make it into the half ponytail as shown in the video. It will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then divide the hairs into two sections. Comb it properly and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Do the process very nicely and gently so that it will look like this. Now again repeat the exact same process with the another portion of your hair so that it will start looking like this. Once you are complete with that, take the remaining hairs and then start making the braids out of it and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull out the hairs and then start making the bun out of it. Fix it all properly with the help of a hair clip and then it will look like this. Accessorize it nicely and then it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then start making the braids out of each section as shown in the video and then pull out the hairs from the braids. Now take the braids and then attach it on the alternative side as shown in the video. Accessorize it, it's done. Thanks for watching.